Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a video that has been heavily requested for many months. About 6 months ago I finished my home gym, getting all the equipment and everything in order, and you guys have been requesting a video. So today I am going to make that happen. I'm going to take you on a tour around my new home gym. Now this room actually used to be the office. This is where I got all the work done, but now I moved that to a different area of the house and this became the gym. A year ago, I got in the best shape of my life with only some hand weights and an elliptical, and it was awesome. But then life hit me hard. I ended up in the emergency room and the hospital for some medical things, and I got my eggs frozen and I was recovering from surgery. So I got a little fluffy. That is going to change this year. I'm gonna continue my fitness journey. The gym is now complete and I can't wait to show you guys. And if you like these home tour type videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And Cookie is ready to go. She's ready to help me. Look how excited she is to do it. Oh, she's playing chase. Yeah, and I'm super casual today. I just wanted to be really cozy, so I'm actually wearing my brother from another mother's hoodie. This is his little merch. And yeah, we've got Ugg slippers on. So that's my mood. 2020 mood. We're gonna start the gym tour with cardio corner. That's what I call this over here. We've got the elliptical and the sitting bike. This elliptical has been with me since the beginning. This is my first piece of gym equipment. I actually bought it used. It was refurbished because I was trying to save some coin because these are expensive. I burned a lot of calories on here. I don't love cardio unless it's hiking with my friends or dancing with my friends. I like to do a fun activity, but I really don't love cardio. So in order to love it, I had to get a machine that fit me really well, and I put these facing the TV, the big TV on this wall, and I did that so that I can watch a movie or a TV show while I'm on the machine, basically to distract myself and trick myself into thinking I'm not doing cardio, I'm just watching a movie while going on a little elliptical walk. My sister and I like the Pre-Core machine because it has a littler stride, so if you're short like me, don't worry guys, I got shorts on. I got shorts on. You might have been nervous. You saw this oversized hoodie, but woo, shorts. Okay. If you have short legs, it has a really nice stride. Anyways, ellipticals are awesome. They're high intensity and easy on the joints, low impact. And that's what I'm talking about, especially when you're a shorty like me and you take this many strides just to walk to the bathroom. Your joints just get used a lot more, so anything that is easier on them is a big one, which is also why I like this. Second piece of cardio equipment that I have in my gym is this recumbent bike. It's by Cybex and it is my favorite one. I tested out so many of these. I've worked with a service that would let you try a piece of equipment for a couple weeks to see if you liked it, and if you didn't, they would exchange it for another brand. And for the record, I did try multiple bikes and return all of them. Some of the ones that were more high tech did not fit my little short legs, and I was really sad and I was really disappointed. Mike, are you zooming in on my legs?
I'm just showing you how short the legs are.
How long they are, just so lean and long. Oh my God, what was I saying? This bike was one of my favorites because it had one of the shortest and longest ranges, so it fits my legs really well, but then Mike can also use it, and it also has the most comfiest seat. Some of the other seats, why were they so bad?
So uncomfortable.
They were rock hard. It felt like somebody was like, just like a rock right on your tailbone. It was terrible, but look at this. Ooh, nice and foamy.
And it's got good back support.
Oh yeah, that's my setting.
There's Rose setting all the way to the front.
All the way to the front. And look, I can put a little drink in here, put my little cell phone here, and it also has a little lip right here where you can also put your phone, or you can put a book or something. Or your Kindle. Now, I couldn't find a bike that would fit Cootie's legs, because Cootie's legs are just too short. No. Okay, good dogs. And then over here is the stretching station. These mats may be covered in a little bit of dog hair, but that's because Cookie helps me stretch every day. She's really sweet. And not only do I have these kind of foam squishy mats, but My friend Cassie from Blogilates, I have a bunch of her yoga Pilates mats, which I use to stretch, and they're so colorful and beautiful, and we love them. Thank you, Cassie, you are the best. And I like to keep a bunch spare because my friends come over and work out all the time. Like Mike's guy friends come over and they work out in the gym and they actually do stretch. Good job, guys. And my girls come over and we work out too, so it's nice to have some spare mats. Cody, do you want to stretch? Do you want to stretch your muscles? Are you ready to stretch? Over here I have some foam rollers. I like the really hard ones. I think I found these at Target. So before and after every workout, I stretch and roll out my back. It feels really good. This is a weighted rollout. You just put some weight on top of you while you roll out. Puts extra weight on the back. Feels really good. Oh my gosh, my back just cracked like 10 times. Oh, that's amazing. Could you imagine if there was dog aerobics and everyone brought their own dog to class and you roll out and you do a weighted rollout? Oh, we can do a weighted push-up.
Good job, Cody.
I feel like this is goat yoga.
Cody's your new fitness trainer.
Woo! Go Cody! Oh, come down, come down. Cookie, how am I supposed to get fit? Huh? How is mommy supposed to get fit? Next for stretching, I have a bunch of fitness balls. I have a smaller one, a bigger one, and 2 Bosus. They have different densities, so you can do a whole bunch of things on here. You can lift weights, you can do it on one leg. Oh my gosh, slippers, not the best idea. Not the best idea. Ooh. But let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see some of my actual exercise routines and some of the little exercises I do every day, because I have a bunch of them. Behind all the fitness balls is my custom-made stall wall, and if you're wondering what is a stall wall, well, it's basically what I grew up with in gymnastics. They had a bunch of these at all the gymnasiums that I was in, and I love them. I can show you some of the exercises that I do on them. A lot of them are for stretching, ab work, and arms. Up there's a pull-up bar that I use, and it's custom made and bolted to the support beams in the wall, and that's why it's also a little bit off-centered, because it's connected directly to the support beams of the house. And then on the side, we just have some weighted jump ropes and stretchy resilience bands to kind of warm up my arms. But over here, what you do is you just hang like this, and then we would do like a whole bunch of things. You could do like feet, and you go up, and you can also do it straight-legged. Oh, I gotta work on it. You can also tuck your little feet in here, and then you can do elevated push-ups. Oh, you could just do so many things on here. And the same company that made the stall wall and this beautiful wood made a bunch of the custom mirrors in the gym so that everything matches. There's 3 big custom mirrors on this wall, and then there's another one on the other wall, which I use for like dancing and aerobics on the big open wood space. About 2/3 of the room has wood flooring for the stretching and cardio and where we dance, that kind of stuff. And then 1/3 of the room I had custom rubber flooring put in over to protect the wood floors, and this is where all the heavy weight equipment and weights are. Another thing I like about the gym is that we are now on the ground floor. It used to be upstairs in one of the small spare bedrooms, and I really wanted to move the gym to the ground floor where it was much more stable, and it is now, so we can move in all the weights. We've got a bunch of fixed barbells. Now I use the lighter ones over here, but I do a lot of squats with them and lifts and deadlifts. I absolutely love these. These are great. Then over here I have a bunch of dumbbells, and I got this custom rack made so it would fit perfectly in this space. And we have varying weights. They all match. They're all one set other than these couple right here. And I keep a few extra for my mom. She likes the lighter weights over here. And when I have friends over and we use similar weights. Then over here in this corner are petite medicine balls, and finding these in all black was so hard. It was really difficult to do. I really like these because I have small hands, so I was looking for a heavy medicine ball but smaller in size. And usually with medicine balls, as they get heavier, they get massively bigger, and I just wanted them to get a little bigger but still be petite. So they are petite and heavyweight. They're packed in there just like me. I like that everything in here is really black and sleek, and I love the wallpaper. It's a really dark gray. It just feels, I don't know, perfect. Then this bad boy is probably the biggest piece of gym equipment I own, and this is a dual system, and that's one of the reasons I fell in love with it, is it was a squat rack and also had weighted pulleys on each side for a bunch of different exercises that I like to do with resistance that are great for your posture and great for your muscles. On each side there's adjustable weights, and then you can put them at different settings, and they have all these different attachments on this side, like different handles and things you can use to do so many different, so many different workouts. Ow! Not only does it have pulley weights on the side, but look, there's a pull-up bar up there, which Mike has been using. Ooh.
Love it.
This machine also, when we were starting with the squat rack, it had a self-spotting feature with these like little handles, so that if you didn't have a spot and you were lifting heavy weight, it would help for you. The machine did it for you. But now that we've been getting more comfortable with it, we took that feature off, which I thought was really cool. I didn't know that we could even take it off, and now it's just a squat rack. So you can do bench pressing, squatting, all those cool things. And then the big weights are over here on the side. Ooh, and then what's this custom LED sign that looks like a neon light sign? It's a peach emoji that I had custom made because in this gym, every day is booty day. People switch between leg day, arm day, leg day, arm day, but every day in this gym is booty day because I've always been curvy, even at my leanest, and it's fine to have a rump, but I don't want my rump to be sagging on the ground. I'm trying to have it up here, so I have to remind myself. This is a little reminder. Every day do something for the booty. Speaking of booty day, let's go over here to my booty band. This is kind of where I keep all of the miscellaneous stuff in the gym. So in here, we've got some water bottles for guests. We've got towels and disinfectant wipes, rolly balls to stretch out your back. Ah, there's a moth in here!
He flew right by camera.
Oh my gosh, okay, back to business. Down here we've got air pumps and sports balls. And that's what I'm talking about, this is the booty drawer. Oh yeah, we've got bands, booty bands of all kinds. And each color has its own resistance. Ooh, and the green one matches my Game Theory hoodie. Ooh, okay, so to work the booty, and again, you have to let me know if you want to see some of these silly exercises, because I love them. And I just sidestep all the way down, bam, and bam, squat, and sidestep. Keep my knees out. Yeah. Oh, my booty is burning. Burn the booty. Burn, 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 burn. Burn, 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 burn. Yeah, 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 yeah. It just warms up the butt, and I love it. Gotta do it every day. Keep it up. Ow! That'll wake you up too. Also in here, I have gliders. A lot of you are asking, what are you doing? And they were like, are you working out with Frisbees? I was like, they do kind of look like Frisbees, but no, they sit on the floor and they glide really easy. So like you can have a heavy weight in your hands and do like one-legged lunges that are weighted. And it's just a good thing for balance. And so you can isolate one leg. Then down here we've got pickleball paddles and a bunch of pickleballs, because in my backyard, a lot of people think it's a full-size tennis court because it is massive, but it is actually regulation pickleball size. Somebody played pickleball in college, and that somebody was me. If you guys know what pickleball is, give me a thumbs up in the comments down below. And if you don't know what it is, it's basically like if tennis and ping pong had a baby. It's like slow moving tennis because you play it with a wiffle ball. So it just moves a little slower. Cookie loves these. They're her favorite. Oh, she just heard it. No, see? Cookie, what's this? They love these. Whenever we're playing pickleball, they get so excited and they want to chase us around, and I know I should teach them not to, but it's so much fun with them involved. It's like little obstacles while you're playing tennis. Oh, are you gonna do high five? Oh, good girl. What about high five? Good girl. What about high five? Good girl. What about high five? Good girl. They're trying to work for this ball. All right, and then over here, this is Mike's. This is not mine. I don't play that game. I am too short. One time I tried to be a guard, little point guard, and I sucked.
Can I just say they need a basketball league of 5 foot and under only.
Like a petite league?
Yeah.
What are we playing, like on a kid's court?
That would be amazing.
Like a little ball. I'm like playing with all the kids.
I would love that.
Here we've got some weightlifting gloves. I'll let you guess which set do you think's mine? Which set do you think is Mike's?
It's a tough choice.
Whose is Mr. Husky's and whose is mine? If you guess this one's mine, you win. Ding, 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 ding! You win! The grand prize is satisfaction of knowing you are correct.
Wow.
There's only a few things left to show you guys in the gym, one of which is the big TV over here. It's probably the most massive TV in the entire house, and this is what I watch when I am on the cardio machines because I love cardio and I need to be distracted. On top of this dresser is sitting my kettlebells, and I use these for kettlebell squats and a bunch of other exercises. I don't have a rack for these yet because I haven't picked one that I've really liked, but I've been looking for over a year, so yeah, the search continues. Right now they're just sitting here. And then down here we've got boxing gloves. Lots and lots of gloves. I've got 2 pair. These ones have a little M on them for Molly. And then these ones are mine. Wait, why they always have an M on it? Oh, these are mixed matched. Okay, I was like, Molly, you got 2 sets? Wait a minute.
They're all mine.
Okay, let me put them back together. So these ones are mine, and these ones are my sister Molly, and then these ones are for when we're doing other boxing exercises. And I loved them because they were pink. And then for the guys, we have some bigger ones. These ones are Huskies, and then these ones I think are Griggs. Last but not least, ankle weights. These are fun to strap on your ankles and try to do some leg lifts and stuff. These will blast the booty. All right, that does it for the gym tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it and you like house tours and room tours, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And there are still a few details that I want to add to the gym. I want to find a rack for the kettlebells, and I want to add a piece of art that didn't get done in time. But other than that, I'm really happy with it. It took a really long time and a lot of hard work to research all these different products and machineries and weight. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, bye. And if you want to watch any other house tour videos, you can click here or here. All right, thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.
A blueberry.
Blueberry. If I'm right here, do you think that I'm floating?